Hey travelers, we've made it to the Guadalupe Mountains National Park and we're gonna go exploring this park with kids. Let's go do it. The adventure mobile awaits. Woo.
Alrighty, we're going to the visitor center. Dad, you excited?
I am excited. This is gonna be so much fun.
Yep, we already got my Junior Ranger badge at Big Bend. And now we're probably gonna get one here.
So there's currently a wildfire going on in the park, so most of the northern part of the park is off limits. We are down here, and we're gonna try and do something around here, I believe. Can I get a Junior Ranger book and a park map?
We're not grading at the moment, or like swearing in, so we're just gonna go ahead and give you the badge.
Okay.
They're just continuing the patch, so we no longer.
Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so the plan for today is to do the Junior Ranger book. Even though she already got the badge, she still likes to do the activities in there. And we're gonna go try and hike Devil's Hall. I don't know how far we're gonna get because it's like a 4-mile hike, but there's not a lot of elevation change. So we're gonna see if we can do it with 3 kids. This will be interesting. First we gotta go get our hiking bags. We'll probably pack it with some snacks. We filled up our waters. It's time to go on a hike. A little windy today too, so hopefully my little wind muff on the microphone works for you guys. All right, these 4 trails all start here. We're gonna see how far we can get on that one.
So that's the shortest
Yep.
trail?
Let's go. That's a cactus. We're going super high. Our little adventure mobile down there. Oh boy.
Super high. Or uphill. Up we go.
You want a string?
Yeah.
Do you want to switch hats so you have a string?
Uh-huh.
I'll wear your hat.
What?
I'll wear your hat.
Okay.
Here.
What?
It's gonna be a little big on you, but you can use this string to cinch it.
Yeah, because like my hat keeps on doing meow.
I figured that.
Here.
Amelia and I switched hats because hers doesn't have a string on it, so I'm feeling a little flowery today. That hat working out for you?
Yep.
All right. I just noticed this tree here is 3 different colors. It's got a band of red, a band of gray, and then a band of black. That's cool.
Look at this. This is a multicolored tree. Red, gray, and black.
A new place, a new experience, a new memory. Coming together as a family, doing hard things. Is this hard?
Yep.
Good.
Why good?
Because you got to do hard things so you can test yourself. This is kind of like taking a test in school. We're testing your hiking skills. Right now, I think you might be at like a level 3. Level 1 is Beckett riding on a back.
What level is the highest?
50.
What? No, 5.
I'm making it up. I don't know. You know, there's some people who make their own paths, like Lewis and Clark. They would be a 50. Need some water, Beckett? Yeah. You got it, dude.
All right, that's enough.
All right, let's go. Sucky McSuckerton. Shock first, then Mom, then Amelia, then Dad.
Water break.
Does that feel good? Hello. Hello.
Hi.
We're good. That is what you call gorgeous. Whew. Let's go. Make our way up. Good thing you have a hat though, because that makes shade for you.
We all have hats.
That's right. Look at how beautiful this is out here. Gotta take a second and enjoy it. Enjoy your hike. Let's take a picture right here.
Beckett.
Where's Beckett? There he is. Cheese. Shock first, Mom second, Amelia third, Dad last. Some nice shade right here. Looks like we're under a pretty big cloud too. So enjoy it while we have it. We're gonna go find some Carlsbad ice cream. Shade break. Get it instead of a shake break. All right, drop it. Oh, she was stuck. There you go.
No.
I'll come down. I'll come down. There you go.
Just toot? That was a big toot.
That's super cool. It's like a big giant straw.
We got some cold water in there.
It's cold. Is yours cold? Should be kind of cold because it's in a steel can.
Well, it was cold to begin with.
Oh. I agree. We're coming to a family decision is what we have to do. You know some of that?
We said we're going to go 1 mile in.
Right. We went 1 mile in. So we all agreed on that. Everyone's pleased. I just remember the lady saying there was like this cool place where there's a bunch of boulders that you can climb on and whatnot. I thought the kids would really like that. Okay. There you go. If we all agree, let's go. Then let's head back. Where are you going, big man? You climbing a rock? Yeah, you're like a little mountain climber.
Hey, everybody only gets one of those.
You need to burn some energy, huh? Look at you. You're climbing the Guadalupe Mountains.
The Becky Guadalupe Mountain.
Don't bust your feet, your face. You're gonna get on top of this mountain. You're on top! Yay! Can you stay right there and I'll take your picture? Look here, Beckett. Say gee. You're cute. Big kids climbing the mountain. We did a mile. So we did 1/4. Should I take brother and sister's picture? Say, geez, we had so much fun on this hike, yay! And now we're near this cool tree. Are you going back up?
Yeah, I want picture. I want everybody.
Everybody in the picture. You are too cute. You want to take it, hon? So I can stay here near him? Cheese! Everybody cheese! Pro tip, bring some chapstick with you. It's hot. Hold on to mama.
Piggyback.
Got all of our things, left nothing but memories.
Camera.
Yep.
Everybody's got their water.
Well, we made it 1 mile in. We're going back. Should have came super early this morning. It's hot out here.
Wait, Mom.
Going back down.
All right,
Beautiful
Dad.
here. Hey.
Yep. Let's continue.
So on this trip, we're getting into all the national parks free because Amelia is in the 4th grade. And whenever you're in the 4th grade, there's a 4th grade kid in every park initiative that they do. All you have to do is go to the website and print out the voucher and you leave it on your dashboard or you give it to the person at the window. And the whole family, up to like 2 extra kids and a couple of parents, are able to get in for free. So it works out great.
Hey guys, watch, come see. See, look how far out you can see. That's probably like 100 miles away.
Oh yeah, that's maybe even more.
That might even be New Mexico. Can you?
Where the land meets the sky, the horizon.
So we found some friends that we're going to talk with.
Enjoy your trip. Thank you. Okay. You could take a little nap, Beckett. Was Devil's Hall pretty neat? Yeah. Straight up. Yeah, yeah. You fell asleep. Have y'all ever done Big Bend?
We haven't.
No.
Y'all go down there?
We were there yesterday, actually.
Oh wow, how was that?
It was amazing.
Really?
Yeah, the Santa Elena Canyon. You take the hiking trail down through there and you can go down into the Rio Grande River, and it's just you're in the middle of the canyon. One side is the United States and the other side is Mexico.
Wow.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Where did y'all stay?
We stayed in Terlingua. It's to the west of the national park.
Y'all drive up here today or yesterday?
After leaving there, we drove to Fort Davis.
Okay.
And we found a little Airbnb camper there, and then we drove to here today.
Hello, dude.
Where y'all from?
We live in Yuma, Arizona.
Oh, okay, cool.
How about y'all?
We're from Lafayette, Louisiana.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. We're headed to Arizona eventually. Yeah.
We decided not, and then you guys brought it up again. We're like, okay, you know what? Maybe we just need to do
Our
it.
biggest holdup was where we can stay.
Oh, yeah. We stayed in a teepee.
Yes, it was amazing. Really? Yeah.
Do y'all like camping?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? It's a place called the Buzzard's Roost.
Okay.
I don't know if they'll have any availability, but it was pretty cool. We did it! Uh-huh.
Best of luck traveling across country.
Yeah, we're excited.
Yeah. Free water. Can't beat it. That's why it's always important to carry a little travel mug with you, or a little travel thermos, whatever you want to call these things. Alrighty guys, we just didn't get out early enough. It got too hot and we only made it 1 mile in. And that is our time at Guadalupe Mountains National Park. Alright guys, we made it to New Mexico. We are staying in this hotel right here. It's actually fairly new. It's a mainstay suite, and she gave us a suite on the 4th floor. Very excited about that. If you guys want to see what's inside here, click that video right there on the screen. We'll see y'all in those videos. Thank y'all for watching. Let's go travel somewhere.